Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open multiple apps at the same time in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as open multiple apps. Just search this application and you will see a tons of applications. Just scroll down below and you will see here open multiple apps by Argon Deb. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. At the bottom you can see, just tap on it and just enable this open multiple apps. Move back, just proceed with all the instruction. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? On the above you will see some icons. The first one is help and the second one is the settings. So you can get some instructions here. And next is layout, and the fourth option, the plus icon you can see here, is the option to add. So let us add one Magon group. So let me just put it test, and you can select your respective color also and click on save. So we have created one group and just tap on this plus. Now select your respective application that you want to add under this group. So let me add some applications. So I've selected a total of 5 applications at the same time. You can create multiple groups also by clicking on this plus icon. Again, you can create one more group if you wish. So I've created one group having 5 applications. So once you are done with your settings, you can see one rectangular box with the arrow icon on the right side. Just tap on it. Now you can see it has opened 5 multiple apps which I have selected at the same time without needing to click on several apps to open or launch the particular application. So using this application you can easily open multiple apps at the same time in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.